Hello, my name is Taimur, and today I will give you a brief overview of water spray system by using. Hello, my name is Taimur, and today I will give you a brief overview of NFPA-15, which is for water spray system. Objectives of water spray system is extinguishing of fire, control of burning, exposure protection. Exposure protection can be defined as if fire has been started on one equipment and you need to protect another equipment, so you use water spray system for that. And the fourth is prevention of fire. Deluge system. A deluge fire protection system is similar to that of a sprinkler system, but in this case, all the nozzles spray water or suppression material at once by opening of a control valve or a deluge valve. It is also known as a flood system. They are usually installed at following places: have aircraft hangars, vessels, steel structures, and transformers. Uh, so this is a typical form of a deluge system. In this, what happens is that here is our main deluge valve, which is being pressurized by water, and one inlet of this line pressurizes the diaphragm valve close. What happens that when this smoke detector detects fire, it sends a signal to this solenoid valve, and this solenoid valve usually opens. So what happens is that when this solenoid valve opens, the system becomes depressurized, and this deluge these diaphragm of deluge valve open, and the water comes out of this system to its open sprinklers. So this is how it works. So here you can see, once the the system becomes depressurized, the diaphragms opens and the water is distributed throughout the system. So it's another type of same spray water system. In this, instead of using fire detectors, we usually use a wet pilot sprinkler detection system, in which we use a sprinkler system instead of detectors and solenoid valve. In this, what happens that when a system detects fire, the filaments on the sprinklers open in return, which releases the pressure, and because of releasing pressure, the diaphragm opens and releases water to the system. So here you detect the fire, so the sprinklers open, the system become depressurized, and the main system and then the water is open towards the main sprinkler. So coming down, next is the system components. A main specific system component is defined as the rated pressure of the pipeline should be 12.1 bar gauge. The minimum pipe size is 3 by 4th of an inch. Coming down is the water density. So I've written some specific values for a few of the users, including pumps and compressor, which is usually equals to 0.50 GPM per feet square. Vessel 0.25, steel structure 0.10, transformer 0.25. So this is the water density. To calculate the fire water demand, we usually multiply it with the area coverage. So by just simply multiplying with an area, we got flow rate required for fire water. The next coming down is, for the last, is that inside an hydraulic system, the minimum pressure at the furthest nozzle should be no less than 1.4 bar gauge. Next is, for any further detail, please consider NFPA 15.